We didn't get into RV life just to chase comfort. We did it to chase freedom. We want the freedom to be able to park wherever we want to, camp under the stars, find our balance wherever we land. But let's be honest, sometimes this is easier said than done. And so we were tired of worrying about slick concrete or soft dirt, so that's why we installed SnapPads. So, what did we do? We got our SnapPads, a mallet, a little soapy water, and most importantly, our leveling system ready to go. We started out on a flat surface, making sure the parking brake was engaged. We didn't crawl under the RV while the jacks were in use. We stood clear and worked slowly, one pad at a time. My husband started out with applying just a little bit of soapy water around the inner lip of the snap pad to help it slide on easier. We worked in tandem to coordinate lowering the jacks into the snap pad. Here she goes. One down, three to go. This one required a little finagling, but when it's on, you will hear a satisfying snap. After all were on, we did a final check, walked around to ensure that each pad was securely seated on the jack, raised and lowered once to be sure, and then we were done. It was pretty easy.
So we got the snap pads because sometimes our sites are gravel or even grass. And the snap pads prevent the jack feet from getting damaged or stuck in the ground. Was it worth it? I think so. It helps the stability in the RV, and we really don't have to worry about any damage getting done to the jack.
Well, that's our snap pad story. Take care and happy trails.